guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a double eyelid tutorial. So this video is going to be really great for those of you out there that have monolids like me, or have hooded eyelids, or even if you have uneven lids that you just want to even it out. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create that double eyelid effect with double eyelid tape. I have two different types of tapes with me, and the first one here is from The Face Shop, which is a Korean cosmetic skincare store, and this one is double-sided. And the second one that I have here is from Daiso, which is a Japanese dollar store. And what's cool about this one is that it is tan, so it blends well with the skin tone, so you're not going to see it as much. But I haven't tried this myself, so I'm really excited to try this. The difference between these two, if you're wondering, is that this one's double-sided and this one is not double-sided. So I'm gonna try both of these guys out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And let's get to it. I'm starting out with the Friendcation palette by Dosa Colors, and I'm just doing a super simple eyeshadow look. And if you're wondering, I'm only using one shade from the palette, and I'm just blending this all out. And once that is done, I'm just adding a little shimmer. That is pretty much the eyeshadow look, and I'm just putting on some gel liner. I like to use the tape with eye makeup on, but you could use it just by itself. For me, the makeup helps to blend the tape in better, so it's not as noticeable. Because I notice if I do use it by itself, you can definitely tell I'm wearing tape. Before I put the tape on, I'm curling my lashes, and then I'm going to start off with the double-sided tape. Here I'm placing the tape where I want that double eyelid effect, and it is a little bit tricky, but once I place that down, I'm taking off that sticky tape. Taking the eyelid tool, I'm using it to push that tape into my skin for it to stick. On the other side of my eye, I'm going to try out the one-sided tape, and it's pretty much the same steps as the other side. Okay, this step is totally up to you. I personally love wearing lashes, and it definitely helps to hide that tape even more. As you can see, I'm putting the lash right underneath that tape, and the reason why for this is because if you put that lash on the tape, your lash isn't gonna stay on all day. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.